What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RTK here, and today, as requested, somebody asked me, could I do teach you how to like use my paddle shifters and shit like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so make sure y'all watch this video through to learn how I do this shit, you know what I'm saying, or learn how you could use your paddle shifters and everything in your own car. So let's get straight to the video. All right, so boom. So step one, right? Obviously, we're gonna turn on the car. We're gonna turn on the car, right? So what you wanna do is, right, step one, this is step one. Make sure this, right? Put it in drive, right? You see the manual right here? Make sure this is here. So you look, you go from here to here. Again, you go from here to here, okay? So boom, that's step one, right? So from here, right, it's already gonna be in, as you can see, it says manual one, right? That means that we're in the first gear, right? We're in the first gear. Focus real quick. We're in the first gear, as y'all can see. So whenever I'm doing it, right? Whenever I'm doing it, right? I try to keep it when I'm shifting, right? As y'all can see, right? You see how it says the plus, and it also has the minus over here. These are what you're gonna basically be using, right? So when it hits, like, when I try to do it at 4,500. You see there? Because these go by thousands. So you see the middle right here, right? When it gets here, you want to click the plus sign. That means you're going up. You're going up. And then so on and so forth. You know, it's just pretty easy. So when it goes here, it'll go to 4,500, and then boom, it'll probably back down. It's gonna go back. It's gonna go back down, and then it's gonna go up again, and then boom. As soon as it hits 4,500 right here, you're gonna upshift. Boom. It's gonna go back down again. It's gonna come back. Boom. Upshift again. Right? Now, that's just it's just simple tutorial. Like, this is not like a real manual where, you know what I'm saying, like, this is an automatic manual. You know what I'm saying? It has manual in it. So let's get down to downshifting, okay? So if you want to hear the full, like your whole entire engine, right? If you want to hear that shit roaring, you want to, like, oh yeah, bro, I want to hear that shit roar, bro. I want to hear that motherfucker go rah, 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 rah. All right. So what you want to do is, right, you want to keep it in the first gear. And I'm gonna show y'all example. I'm gonna show y'all gonna hear the example of what I'm talking about, because I'm gonna give y'all the little drive or whatever afterwards, right? So you want to keep that shit at 1 at all times if you're gonna do that, right? Preferably, you know what I'm saying, like, if you're gonna do this on the highway, get in the right lane, because that's the slower lane. That way you can, like, you're gonna hear it, right? So what you want to do is, right, so say you want to downshift, right? It's basically just doing it in reverse, right? So when it's like right here, right, 4,500, you start kind of like applying your brakes a little bit, right? Applying your brakes a little bit. When it gets to this 3,500, bow, it's gonna come back up. It gets to this 2,500, bow, you downshift with this. Look, you're pressing this. So as soon as it gets there, you're downshifting. You're downshifting. And then it's gonna go back up, come down, and then so on and so forth. So you wanna stay at 1 if you wanna hear that shit roar. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I mean. That way y'all can watch and see, all right? All right, so y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and put a manual. We in the 6th gear right now, right? Pay attention to the left side of the RPMs, right? What's going on? Get over. So look, you see see how it's at 25? Now look, you see how it went up? Press the brake a little bit. You see how it's going up and down? Y'all hear it? You hear the engine roar? Let y'all so y'all hear it. Look, we're downshifting right now. You hear it? Oh, that's not loud. Wait till they get to that second. 2,500. Look at that. See that? Wait till we get to that 4,500 again. Boom. You hear it? See how we're upshifting? Look at that. Now you're gonna hear the downshift again, all right? Wait a little bit. Look at that. See that? Wait till it gets to 2,500 again, and then boom, downshift. You hear how the engine is kind of roaring? You see that? And then we're gonna go up again. 4,500. That's how you know you're doing it correctly. Okay, so we're gonna get to the, we're gonna slow down a little bit, because when you're downshifting, you're basically like slowing down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, wait, 2,500 again, and then watch. We're gonna downshift, and then you hear the engine roaring. We're gonna go back up again. Basically just downshift, or upshift, I meant. You hear that? You see what I'm saying? It's pretty simple. Every time we get to that 4,500. Now the higher you go, you know, when you're upshifting, it's not gonna, like, your engine's not gonna, you know what I'm saying, like, roar, you know? It really roars when you're, like, downshifting. So, boom, 2,500. We downshifting. 2,500 again. We're downshifting again. Excuse me, it's kind of hard doing it with one hand, you know? Go up again. Upshift. So you're gonna hear that engine roar. Y'all hear that? Wait till it gets to 3. Wait till it gets to 3. Look at that. Upshift. We're going downshift. A little bit. Wait till it gets to that 3,500. Now, if you do it too early, look, you see how it's gonna say shift not allowed? If you do it way too early, it's gonna say shift is not allowed, as y'all can see. See? Now let's go to first gear. You see what I'm saying? if you're just staying first in your first gear, it's gonna do like this. You see how it's doing it? Like, it's gonna just stop it a little bit and won't let you go. That's because it's telling you to shift. It's not gonna shift automatically for you. It only shifts automatically for you if you're in, you know, drive. So you see how it's kind of like stalling a little bit, but it's not gonna kill your engine, I promise you. Look, shift, 4500 again, boom, shift again. 4500 again, bow, shift. Now we're in a 6th gear. Shift. See how it's kind of bouncing? All you really just gotta watch that. Now when you get good at it, you can just go based off the sound. You know what I mean? 2500, boom. You see what I'm saying? 2500 again. Hold on. Shift. 4500. Now we're going downshift because there is people in front of us right now, so downshift. You see how it's bouncing? I know I keep repeating myself, but I'm just trying to let y'all know. 2500. Just like that. Now we're going up again. Boom. Now, the same thing applies for the gear shift. The fucking, whatchamacallit, you know what I'm talking about. This. Same thing applies to this. Your gear selection shift. It's the same exact thing. The only difference is, it's not the paddles. That's literally it. But when you're doing it with this, right? Hold on. Let me see if I can get it. I'm gonna go out. Go up, bow. It's the same exact thing. So when you're doing with this, you just go up or down. Like, here. Go down. Let's go up. So going down, right? Going down is, as you see your plus and your minus on there, right? Going down. Sorry, y'all. My shit fucking said iPhone storage and shit. All right, so like I was saying, so boom. Going up, shifting down. See what I'm saying? Shifting down. Well, we're back, but now we're at 6. You see what I'm saying? Here. Boom. You see what I'm saying? Same thing applies. It's no different. It's no different at all. So, yeah. But I hope this helped. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want any more tutorials, like I said, just let me know, man. I'm gonna try my best to help y'all out. You know? So, we just hit 114 subscribers. Road to 150 on the way. Let's get it, man. Boom!
I've realized